Disclaimer. The content in this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. The exercises, workout routines, and fitness tips provided in this video are based on general recommendations and are not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a physician or qualified healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, particularly if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, injuries, or are pregnant. By participating in any exercises or workout routines depicted in this video, you assume full responsibility for any risks, injuries, or damages, known or unknown, which you might incur as a result. The creators of this video and its affiliates shall not be held liable for any injury or harm that you may experience. Please exercise within your limits, use proper form, and listen to your body. Staying in shape is a goal that many people strive for, yet it often comes with a unique set of challenges. In our fast-paced world, juggling work, family, and social commitments can make it difficult to prioritize fitness. Many individuals find themselves battling time constraints, lack of motivation, and even confusion about the best exercise routines or diets to follow. These obstacles can lead to frustration and a sense of defeat, making it easy to abandon fitness goals altogether. Understanding these challenges is crucial for anyone looking to improve their health and well-being. When we recognize the barriers that stand in our way, we can develop strategies to overcome them. For instance, acknowledging that time is a limited resource can encourage us to seek out shorter, more efficient workouts or to incorporate physical activity into our daily routines, such as walking during lunch breaks or taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Moreover, the emotional aspect of fitness cannot be overlooked. Many people struggle with self-doubt or fear of failure, which can hinder their progress. By fostering a supportive environment and discussing these feelings openly, we can empower ourselves and others to push through the tough times. In this video, we will explore various obstacles to staying in shape and provide practical tips to help you navigate these challenges. Our aim is to create an informative and supportive discussion that not only highlights the difficulties but also inspires you to take actionable steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Remember, you're not alone in this journey, and together, we can find ways to stay motivated and committed to our fitness goals. Time constraints. In today's fast-paced world, busy schedules can significantly hinder our ability to maintain consistent fitness routines. With the demands of work, family, and social commitments, finding time to exercise often feels like an impossible task. Many people find themselves prioritizing their responsibilities over their health, leading to a cycle of inactivity and frustration. Statistics reveal that the average person spends around 8.5 hours a day at work, along with additional time commuting and managing household duties. When you factor in family obligations and social activities, it's no wonder that exercise often takes a backseat. In fact, a survey found that nearly 60% of adults cite lack of time as the primary reason for not engaging in regular physical activity. This can create a sense of guilt and helplessness, making it even harder to get back on track. However, it's essential to recognize that even with a busy schedule, there are effective ways to incorporate fitness into our lives. Time-efficient workout options, such as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can deliver significant results in just 20 to 30 minutes. These workouts alternate between short bursts of intense activity and brief rest periods, making them perfect for those with limited time. Additionally, quick home exercises, like bodyweight circuits or yoga sessions, can be done in the comfort of your living room, eliminating the need for lengthy gym trips. By embracing these time-efficient strategies, you can break the cycle of inactivity and prioritize your health, even amidst a hectic lifestyle. Remember, every minute counts, and finding small pockets of time for exercise can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Motivation challenges. Staying motivated for fitness can be a significant hurdle for many individuals, often due to various psychological barriers. Common pitfalls include burnout and the frustration of feeling stagnant in progress. When people push themselves too hard without adequate rest or recovery, they can quickly become overwhelmed and lose interest in their fitness routines. Similarly, When results are not immediately visible, it's easy to feel discouraged and question the effectiveness of one's efforts. To combat these motivational challenges, it's essential to adopt strategies that foster a positive mindset. One effective approach is to set realistic and achievable goals. Instead of aiming for drastic changes, focus on small, incremental milestones that can be celebrated along the way. This not only makes the journey feel more manageable but also provides a sense of accomplishment that can reignite motivation. Tracking progress is another powerful tool. Keeping a journal or using fitness apps can help you visualize your improvements, whether it's in terms of strength, endurance, or overall well-being. Seeing how far you've come can serve as a strong motivator to keep pushing forward. Additionally, finding a workout buddy or joining a fitness community can significantly enhance your motivation. Having someone to share your journey with provides accountability and support, making workouts more enjoyable and less isolating. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a local fitness group, the encouragement from others can help you stay committed to your goals. By addressing these psychological barriers and implementing supportive strategies, you can cultivate a more sustainable and enjoyable fitness journey. Remember, motivation can ebb and flow, but with the right tools and support, you can keep moving forward, no matter the challenges you face. Diet challenges. Maintaining a healthy diet can be a daunting task, especially when faced with various obstacles that can derail even the most determined individuals. Common dietary challenges include cravings for unhealthy foods, the convenience of fast food, and the pressures of social eating. Cravings can strike unexpectedly, often leading to impulsive choices that conflict with health goals. Additionally, in our busy lives, the allure of quick, processed meals can overshadow the effort required to prepare nutritious options at home. Social gatherings can further complicate matters, as the temptation to indulge in less healthy foods can be strong, making it difficult to stick to a balanced diet. To navigate these challenges, meal prepping can be a game changer. By dedicating a few hours each week to prepare healthy meals and snacks, you can eliminate the stress of last-minute decisions. Consider batch cooking grains, proteins, and vegetables, and portioning them into containers for easy access throughout the week. This not only saves time but also helps you resist the temptation of unhealthy convenience foods. When it comes to snacking, choosing healthier options is key. Stock your pantry with nutritious snacks like nuts, yogurt, or fresh fruit, which can satisfy cravings without derailing your diet. Having these options readily available makes it easier to make healthier choices when hunger strikes. Lastly, it's important to remember that balance and moderation are essential for a sustainable diet. Allowing yourself the occasional treat can prevent feelings of deprivation and help you maintain a positive relationship with food. By focusing on a balanced approach that includes a variety of foods, you can create a diet that is both enjoyable and effective in supporting your health goals. Embracing these strategies can empower you to overcome dietary challenges and foster a healthier lifestyle. Practical tips to overcome obstacles. Maintaining fitness can be challenging, but with some practical strategies, you can overcome obstacles and stay on track. One effective approach is to treat your workouts like important appointments. By scheduling them into your calendar, you prioritize fitness just as you would any other commitment. This not only helps you carve out dedicated time for exercise but also reinforces the idea that your health is a priority. Whether it's a morning run or an evening yoga session, blocking off time in your schedule can make a significant difference in your consistency. Another valuable tool for staying organized and motivated is the use of fitness apps or journals. These resources can help you track your workouts, monitor your progress, and set achievable goals. Many apps offer features like workout reminders, meal tracking, and even community support, which can keep you engaged and accountable. Writing down your workouts and reflecting on your achievements in a journal can also provide a sense of accomplishment and clarity about your fitness journey. Celebrating small victories is equally important in maintaining motivation. Whether it's completing a challenging workout, reaching a new personal best, or simply sticking to your routine for a week, acknowledging these milestones can significantly boost your morale. Consider rewarding yourself with non-food related treats, such as new workout gear or a relaxing spa day. These celebrations reinforce positive behavior and remind you that every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. By implementing these practical tips, scheduling workouts, utilizing fitness apps or journals, and celebrating your achievements, you can create a supportive framework that helps you navigate the challenges of maintaining fitness. Remember, consistency is key, and with the right strategies in place, you can achieve your health goals. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the various challenges that can make staying in shape a daunting task. From time constraints and motivational hurdles to dietary obstacles, it's clear that many factors can impact our fitness journeys. However, we've also discussed actionable tips to help you overcome these challenges. Scheduling workouts like appointments, utilizing fitness apps or journals, and celebrating small victories are all effective strategies to keep you on track and motivated. We emphasize the importance of persistence and adaptability in your fitness journey. It's essential to recognize that setbacks are a natural part of the process. By being flexible and adjusting your approach when faced with obstacles, you can maintain your commitment to health and well-being. Remember, every small step counts, and progress is often made in increments rather than leaps. As we wrap up, we encourage you to engage with our content. If you found these insights helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and discussions on fitness and health. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from these strategies. Your support helps us create more valuable content and build a community focused on achieving fitness goals together. Thank you for joining us today, and remember that staying in shape is a journey that requires dedication and the right mindset. With the tools and strategies we've discussed, you're well equipped to tackle the challenges ahead. Keep pushing forward, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.